my name is Aizam Nazmin, and me and my teammates are gonna talk about information and the law. Okay, so firstly I'm gonna talk about protecting programs and data. What's inside of protecting programs and data? Well, there's Copyright Act 1987, Patents Act 1983. What are those? Well, those are Copyright Act 1987 is a US law that provides legal protection for original works of authorship such as literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic works, while the Patents Act 1983 is a law in Australia that governs the granting of patents for invention. So next, it also have trade secret, TRIPs agreement, and where do people apply them? Well, applicants must file a patent or utility innovation. You can apply them using my IPO website. Then next we have protection for computer objects, which has hardware can be patented, firmware, source code, either trade secret or copyright, documentation, copyright, and copyleft. Thank you. That's all from me. Bye bye.
My name is Hong Yong Shen, and I'll be talking about information as an object. Now, information is not dependable and it can be replicated. The cost of information is actually quite low. Time often affects the value of the information. Often, intangible information is sent. Now, I'm going to talk about the legal issues that is relating to information. Now, there are a couple of legal issues that is relating to information. Like, for example, information commerce, like copy protections, freeware, control distributions, mobile code, and applets. Other than that, we have electronic publishing, protecting data in a database, like example who owns the data or something like that, and electronic commerce. And that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Rizwan bin Isam, and I will be talking about PDPA. So what is PDPA? PDPA is a Personal Data Protection Act, which is a set of laws passed in Malaysia in 2010 to protect the privacy of personal data contained in commercial transactions. The PDPA sets out specific requirements regarding the collection, use, disclosure, and care of personal data. It states that organizations must obtain the consent of individuals when collecting, using, disclosing, and storing their personal data. It also outlines rules on how to securely handle, store, and protect such data. The PDPA applies to all organizations undertaking business in Malaysia as well as those based outside Malaysia who conduct business activities in Malaysia. All personal data must be processed in accordance with the principles set out in the PDPA. Sensitive personal data can only be processed if explicit consent is given under Section 40 PDPA. Processing includes any form of dealing with personal data. So here are some examples, which is publish data, sell data, record data, and delete data.
Okay, hi. My name is Saidin Shaiman. So I will be talking about the cyber laws objective. So to provide a comprehensive framework of societal commerce by enabling laws which encompass aspects concerning security of information and network integrity and reliability. And the second one is to create the right development of the communication and multimedia industry and to position Malaysia as major hub for the communication and multimedia information and content services. Okay, these are some examples of Malaysian cyber laws. As you can see, there are Telemedicine Act 1997, Computer Crimes Act 1997, Communication and Multimedia, Copyright Amendment, Digital Signature, Electronic Commerce Act, Electronic Government Activities Act, and Personal Protection. Okay, and for the next one is the Employment Information Act. An act facilitated the location of information regarding the terms of service and condition of work of employed person So the authorized officer, or should I call it Secretary General of Ministry of Human Resources, and an officer authorized by him may require employees to give certain information as to the number of employees currently employed by him. Okay, for example is the Section 6. Any employer who fails to deliver a written statement to the authorized officer shall, on conviction, be liable to a fine of 2,000 ringgit. And in addition to a fine of 100 ringgit, in respect of every day during which such offence shall continue. I think that's all from me. Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all from us, from Group 3. Thank you and bye-bye.